Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Virtual Sikshak. In this video session, we are going to discuss the introductory part of ray optics and optical instruments. The topics that we are going to cover in this session are the concept of light and the reflection of light. Also, we are going to discuss the various branches of optics. Okay. Now, the first question that comes to our mind is, what is optics? Optics is one of the branches of physics in which we are going to study about light, also the behavior of light. Okay, so I will repeat once again, what is optics? Optics is one of the branches of physics in which we are going to study about light and also the behavior of light. Okay, based on the propagation of light, optics is again divided into two branches. Okay, one is called ray optics and other one is called as wave optics. Okay, light can travel in a straight line as well as light can travel as a wave. Okay, the branch of physics which deals with the study of light traveling in a straight line is called as ray optics. Okay, in ray optics we are going to discuss the phenomenon such as reflection, refraction and dispersion. And the branch of physics which deals with the study of light traveling as a wave is called as wave optics. In wave optics, we are going to discuss the phenomenon such as interference, diffraction and polarization. Okay, based on the propagation of light, again optics is divided into two branches. One is ray optics and another one is ray optics. Okay. Just now we have discussed that optics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of light. But what is light? Light is an electromagnetic waves which can be detected by the human eye. I'll repeat again. Light is an electromagnetic wave which can be detected by an human eye. Okay, we all know about the electromagnetic spectrum. It is nothing but the orderly arrangement of electromagnetic waves according to their wavelength. Here is the visual representation of electromagnetic spectrum with gamma rays with lower wavelength at the top and radio waves with higher wavelength at the bottom. The part of the electromagnetic spectrum whose wavelength varies between 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer can be detected by the human eye. And this part of the electromagnetic spectrum which can be detected by the human eye is called as light. Okay, in electromagnetic spectrum there is a part which can be detected by the human eye whose wavelength varies between 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Okay, and it is called as light. I hope everyone have understood what is light. Okay. Now the next topic is ray of light. As we have already discussed that ray optics deals with the study of light traveling in a straight line. Ray of light is nothing but the straight line along which the light is going to travel. Okay, I'll repeat again, what is ray of light? It is nothing but the straight line along which the light travels. Okay, here is the visual representation of a ray of light. It consists of a straight line along with an arrow. Here arrow gives the direction of light. Okay, you have to remember this. Whenever you are going to draw a ray of light, it should be consisting of an arrow because arrow gives the direction of light. Okay, now the next topic is beam. It is nothing but the collection of a large number of rays of light. Okay, what is beam? It is nothing but the collection of large number of rays of light. Here you can see there are many rays of light and this collection of rays of light is called as beam. Okay, now let's discuss reflection of light. Let us consider a ray of light is traveling from one medium to another medium. Let this be medium 1 and this be medium, and AB is the interface between medium 1 and medium 2. Let us consider a ray of light is traveling from medium 1 towards medium 2 and it is hitting the interface at point O, and this ray is called as incident ray. Okay, A ray of light is traveling from medium 1 towards medium 2 and it is hitting the interface at point O, and this ray of light is called as incident ray. After hitting the interface, a part of it or complete incident ray may turn back to the same medium. Okay, a part of the incident ray or complete incident ray may turn back to the same medium, that is they are going to travel back to the medium 1 only. Then this phenomenon is called as reflection of light. As you can see here, after incidenting the interface at point O, complete incident rays turn back to the same medium. Okay, and the ray of light which is turned back to the same medium is called as reflected ray. Okay, so I'll repeat again, what is reflection of light? It is nothing but the phenomenon in which a ray of light traveling from one medium towards another medium, after hitting the interface, a part of it or complete incident rays reflected or turned back to the same medium. Okay, this phenomenon is called as reflection of light. Now let us discuss few more terms which may be required for our further discussion. Okay, the first one is normal. Now what is normal? A normal is a straight line drawn perpendicular to the interface. As you can see here, we are drawing a straight line at the to the interface at point O, and it is perpendicular to the interface. This is called as normal. Okay, now also we are going to discuss the angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? It is nothing but the angle between the incident ray and normal is called as angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? Angle between the incident ray and normal is called as angle of incidence. Here note that the normal is drawn at the point of incidence. Okay, the normal is drawn at the point of incidence. Now let us discuss angle of reflection. What is angle of reflection? It is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal drawn point of incidence. Okay, till now we have discussed about reflection of light. Now we are going to discuss the laws governing the reflection of light. Okay, the same diagram we have drawn here again. This is incident ray, this is normal, and this is reflected ray. Okay, according to the first law of reflection, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal which is drawn at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Okay, I'll repeat again. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal which is drawn at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Okay, now the second law of reflection states that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. I'll repeat again. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is, angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, these are the two laws governing the reflection of light. Okay, I hope so that you have understood whatever we have discussed till now. If you think this video was useful to you, then please press the like button. Also share this video with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.